Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video, we're talking about angles measured. Before we start with the angle, we need to start with a ray. What is the meaning of a ray? Ray is a part of a line. So at the first, we have here the ray MB. MP is starting from the point M and moving in direction of P. We can say that this ray is called MO and starting from the point M and moving in direction of P. So suppose that we have two opposite rays. So we have JK and JL. Two opposite rays are forming one straight line. So the meaning of opposite rays are forming straight line. So we can say the line L is formed from the two opposite rays, JH and JK. If two non-collinear rays starting from the same point, then we can say they are forming an angle. Each ray of them is called the side of the angle, and the point of intersection or the starting point is called the vertex of the angle. For any point in the plane, we have three regions. The first part is the part which contains all of the point which lies between the two sides of the angle. So we can say that the point S and the point R are interior inside the angle which lies between the two sides of the angle. And we have another point which is P and Q are called exterior, which lies outside the two sides of the angle. And the point which lies on the side of the angle. In this problem, we need to use the map of the high school that's shown. We need to name all of the angles that have the vertex P. Where's B? That's P. To write the name of the angle which contains the vertex P, we have the first angle which is ABD. That's the first angle. Or we can say we have angle 1. That is the same name for the same angle ABD. Or we can say we have another angle which is DBC. Angle DBC. Or we can say it's called angle 2. That's the angle 2. So we can name the angle with 3 letters and you have to put the vertex at the middle, or you can name it with a number. Name the side of the angle 3. That's angle 3. Angle 3 is formed from two sides, CB and CE. So we can say that it will be CE, you have to mention the ray, and CB. I will start from C and moving in direction of E, and I will start from C and move in direction of B. What is the other name of the angle GHL? At the first you can say LHG. If you change the letters G and L, you will find another name of the angle. But you have to put H at the middle. We have GHL. So we can say it will be angle number 7. So it will be angle 7. Name a point in the interior of angle DBK. That's DBK. I need a point which lies between the two sides, which is the point E. What is the vertex of angle 5? That's angle 5. Angle 5, the vertex is C. Write another name of angle ECL. So we can say angle LCE. Or we can say it will be angle number 4. We need the sides of angle number 5. Angle number 5, which is CG and CB. So it will be CG, you have to start from the vertex, and CB. Name a point in the exterior of angle CLH. We need CLH. That's CLH. I need an exterior. It's mean not inside the two lines, outside, which is E. In this part, we are talking about classifying angles. What is the meaning of classifying angles? Classifying angles, it's mean give the name of angle according to its measure. So we have 3 types until now. We have an acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. The acute angle, its measure is greater than 0 and less than 90. For any angle, if you want to measure it and you find that the measure is more than 0 and less than 90, so this angle is acute angle. But if you find that the measure is exactly 90, so it will be right angle. But if you find that the measure is more than 90 and less than 180, it will be obtuse angle. And that is the 3 types of the angle until now that we have. In this problem, we need to classify each of the following angles. If that's acute angle or right or obtuse. We have an angle MJB. MJP. MJP, it's mean this sign for the right angle. So we have a right angle. Now angle LJB. LJP. It's greater than 90, so it will be obtuse. Now we have an angle NJB. NJB. It's less than 90, so it will be acute angle. As we can say that 2 line segments are congruent, we can say that 2 angles are congruent. 2 angles are congruent if they are equal in measure. If the measure of the first angle equal to the measure of the second angle, then they are congruent. And if they are congruent, then their measure will be equal. In this problem, we have KJ and KM are 2 opposite rays. We said opposite rays if they are forming one straight line. The measure of the straight angle or the measure which formed from the straight line is equal to 180 degrees. And we have Kn bisects angle JKL. What is the meaning of bisect? Bisect, it's mean divide the angle into 2 equal parts. So we have Kn bisect the angle JKL. It means the first part here is equal to the second part. Measure of angle JKN is equals 8x minus 13. And the measure of angle NKL is equals 6x plus 11. We need to find measure of angle JKN. That's the angle that we need to find. So at the first, we said KN bisects angle JKL. Because it's bisect, it means we have two equal parts. So we can say that measure of angle JKN is equals measure of angle NKJ. Then by using substitution, then we have 8x minus 13 is equals 6x plus 11 by solving the equation. We have 6x by subtracting 6x and by adding 13. Now we can solve. 8x minus 6x equals 2x. Equals 11 plus 13 equals 24. Now we can divide by 2. If we divide by 2, you'll find that x is equals to 12. And that will be the value of x. But the required is not the value of x. The required is measure of angle JKN. We know that JKN is equals to 8x minus 13. So measure of angle JKN is equals 8 multiplied by 12 minus 13. 8 times 12 minus 13 is equals 83. So measure of angle JKN is equals 83 degrees. In this problem, we have KN bisects angle JKL. It means we have two equal parts. Measure of angle JKL is 9y plus 15. All of this angle is equal 9y plus 15. And the measure of angle JKN is equals 5y plus 2. And also we can say that measure of angle NKL is equals 5y plus 2. We need to find measure of angle JKL, all of this angle. So at the first, we know that JKL is equals JKN plus NKJ. All of the greatest angle equal the sum of the two smallest angle. So we have here measure of angle JKN plus measure of angle NKL is equals measure of angle JKL. By using substitution, we have 5y plus 2 plus, that's the first angle, 5y plus 2. That's the second angle. Their sums equals 9y plus 15. Now we need to solve the equation. 5y and 5y equals 10y. 2 and 2 equals 4. That's equal 9y plus 15. Now by using solving equation, I will subtract 9y, then subtract 4. So we can say that 10y minus 9y equals y. 15 minus 4 equals 11. That will be the value of y. But the required, we need to find JKL. So measure of angle JKL is equals 9 multiplied by 11 plus 15. 9 times 11 equals 99. Plus 15 equals 114 degrees. And that's how we can find the required angle. Be careful in solving this type of question. If the required is asking for the variable or asking for the measure of the angle.